Hi, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to improve the performance of your laptop or system. So generally your system may be at starting stage it will be good. Later on after using it may be slow down. Why? Because it may be because of RAM or whatever internet and all, that may be the cause, but due to that the dust may be formed over there. Similarly, like in our home, the dust will be formed. So the dust every day we used to clean, or every weekly we used to clean, so that the house will become refreshed and we will get a positive energy. Similarly, so in the system also the dust will be there. The dust shall be removed frequently, at least weekly or monthly. Then it will boost up the speed of the system. So you need to, I can say, you need to maintain the thing. Maintenance shall be done. So for that, we need to do is, if you see the Windows button, side search bar will be there. In that search bar, click on your keyboard, click Windows plus R. So the run will come. So percentage, then percentage. That means temporary files. It may be came because of the number of usage of internet or number of files and all. The whatever we will do the work, some temporary files may form down. So that to remove that thing, this has to be done. And here you go and select all. In my system there are only few only. Why? Because I used to delete generally time to time, so that's why it is very less. So almost all are deleted, but one thing it is left. It may be used by some other app or software, so that I will try later or tomorrow. So while deleting, you can delete directly shift delete. So that shift delete means it will completely delete. If sometimes if you delete only, if you just delete, for example, I can say I will take one file here to explain you. One second. I will copy here. So now I'm not doing shift delete. I'm doing only delete. So delete means it is left. But the thing is, in our home we used to clean the thing and kept in a dustbin. So after that, the dustbin will be outside of the house, but that has to be taken by the municipal department and run away. So thrown away away from our home. So then the task will be completed. Similarly, we have deleted from the temporary files, means it will go to the dustbin. So that is called as recycle bin. If you see in recycle bin, those files were there. So we need to throw these files away from our home, away from this computer, so that you can control all, you can select all. Control plus A, you can type Control A, or you can select like this and delete. If you delete from here, it will be permanently deleted from your system. So sometimes I think sometimes by mistake you may deleted one file, so it came to recycle bin. So you need to restore it. You can restore it directly like this. You see, it is restored here. It will show the path also. You can see this is what temporary, this is what came from the desktop. Same, it will go back to there. So from there, see, it will go to desktop. The path you need to see that. Accordingly, you can go and check the particular path. So now we will delete all the things. Select all and delete. Now everything is clear. Or else you can pick right click or empty recycle bin. You can also click like this. Then after that, usually used to whenever you are starting the system or using the system, you need to, as everyone knows, that click on mouse, right click and refresh, or use F5 button to refresh the things, so that the frequent refresh will make the your system performance well. Okay, that's it. Thank you.